Steve. Hope you're doing fantastic. So because I played almost the whole song of Mrs. Robinson all the way through already, I don't have time to keep yapping. So let's get to this guitar lesson. It's great and amazing, and we begin here in E major. So I'm going to play the whole thing through, and then I'll show you some of those cool little notes right there. So it goes E major, and in the verse I'll go, we'd like to know a little bit about you for our files, and you can go to an E7th if you want to, and then A major, we'd like to help you learn and help yourself, and you can go to an A7 if you want to, and then D, look around, and G, all you see are C, does this little walk down to A minor, and the walk down goes like this, a C major, just get rid of that finger and take this finger and move it to the second fret of the A string, like that. It doesn't sound that great alone. You're basically leaving that finger here, putting that finger here to A minor, back to E major, and then to D major, and then the big chorus goes, and here's to you, G. This is E minor, G, E minor, C major, D major, then it does it again, G, E minor, G, E minor, C, and this time it goes to A minor to the E major, and that is really cool right there. And I'll play it one time all the way through to give you the rhythm, then I'll come back to those notes. D, G, C, that little walk down to A minor, E major, D major, here's to you, G, E minor, G, E minor, C, to D, and then it does again, E minor, G, E minor, C, A minor, E, right there. Now to do those low notes, you go like this. So to give it a double strum on the low E major parts, and then go open A, and hammer it onto the second fret of the A string, and then the open D string, and then go to the second fret of that, back into that E major shape. So you really just hammer on the E major like this. So try that. And when you do it fast, then the E major. So you're really just hammering on an E major shape. Get your E major ready to press down and do it. What a cool song by Simon Garfunkel. I'm going to do more of their songs, so let me know if you like them and give me some requests, and I'll see what I can do. Catch you next time for some more 3-minute lessons. Later.